everybody! Today's a very special episode. I'm getting my new bike delivered today and I am over the moon. I'm so excited. Sorry about the garage, it is super messy in here. Used to have a CBR 1000RR Honda Fireblade, HM plant rep, like a Leon Haslam World Superbike rep type bike, but that's gone now. So this channel, Motors and Mayhem, it's not just going to be about cars, there's going to be a lot of bike content as well. I ride with some crazy dudes and get up to some mad stuff, so should be some good content either way. But yeah, you guys are going to come on the journey. My bike's getting delivered within the next hour or so. We'll do some filming, have a quick look around it, and then stay tuned for a future episode of a first ride. Boo! Hello everybody, so the new bike has just been delivered and here we have a 2020 Aprilia rsv4 factory, 1100, like 215 horsepower. I think it's like 199 kilos wet weight, so all fluids, liquids, everything in. But yeah, should be a weapon. Akrapovic titanium exhaust as standard. Carbon fibre everywhere, nice aluminium frame, carbon fibre wings, oh damn, Öhlins, semi-active suspension, front and rear, more electronics than you can shake a head at, so this is going to be a bit strange for me because I'm not used to all the electronics, even just a quick shifter, but this has got quick shift up and down. Damn. That was a quick look around the bike. Nothing crazy, not going into crazy detail just yet. I'm going to leave that for a later video, but there's just a glimpse to give you a view of the new bike that I've just bought. So we're going to alternate, probably weekly. We'll do some car content, then some bike content. But please feel free, leave in the comments what you're happy with seeing. If you want to see more bike content, if you want to see more car content, just let me know. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.